my name is Erika and I am part of the Best Venice Guides project. Today I would like to take you to the Ca' d'Oro, a splendid Gothic palazzo overlooking the Grand Canal. First of all, what does the name Ca' d'Oro mean? It's simple, it means house of gold, because of the rich colors that used to decorate the façade of the building, especially gold and blue, the colors on the crest of the Contarini family, who were the original owners of the building. In fact, it was the nobleman and merchant Marino Contarini who built the Ca' d'Oro in the mid-15th century. On the ground level were the storage spaces for the goods that he was trading, on the mezzanine the office of the merchant, and on the two upper levels the residence of the family. Passing through different owners in the course of the centuries, the Ca' d'Oro was then purchased in 1894 by Baron Giorgio Franchetti, who completely restored it and brought it back to its original splendor. Franchetti recreated the staircase in the courtyard of the palazzo and placed there the original well, richly decorated with the symbols of charity, fortitude and justice. And he also created the unique, beautiful marble floor that was inspired by the mosaics in St. Mark's Basilica. Today, the Ca' d'Oro is a museum, hosting the collection of sculptures and paintings that used to belong to Giorgio Franchetti. Among these, the most precious is the painting of Saint Sebastian by Andrea Mantegna. So, I look forward to seeing you in Venice and visiting the Ca' d'Oro together.